Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best solar panels is probably one of the most innovative and convenient gadgets for outdoor enthusiasts and anyone looking to harness the power of the sun. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of portable solar panels, exploring their features, performance, and real-world applications. Whether you're planning a camping trip, preparing for emergencies, or simply want to reduce your carbon footprint, we've got you covered. Number 5. BLAVOR 10,000 mAh Solar Power Bank. BLAVOR has over a decade of experience in solar power banks, earning the trust of users worldwide. This product is built with the highest grade materials, ensuring reliability and safety for all your charging needs. This power bank features a USB-C output with 20W fast charging, capable of charging your iPhone 15 to 65% in just 30 minutes. It also supports wireless charging and can charge 3 devices simultaneously, making it incredibly versatile. Inside, it uses a safer lithium-cobalt battery, offering 50% more charging cycles than standard batteries. Despite its powerful 10,000 mAh capacity, it's the smallest and lightest solar charger on the market, providing multiple charges for your devices. The outer case is made of flame-retardant ABS and PC materials, with waterproof silicone protecting the internal components. It's finished with a rubber skin feel oil coating for a comfortable touch and a stylish look. This portable solar charger is built for any adventure, with IPX5 waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof features. It also includes dual super bright flashlights and a compass carabiner, making it a practical and fun gift for outdoor enthusiasts. What we like. This power bank is a game changer with its fast charging capabilities. It can charge your phone in a flash, and it also supports wireless charging, making it super convenient. It's built with durable materials and a safe battery, so you can rely on it in any situation. If you're always on the go and need a reliable power source, this is the perfect companion for you. What people say. The solar panels are lightweight and easy to carry. It has a built-in USB port for charging devices. The panels are foldable, making them compact for storage. Number 4. Jackery 300 Solar Generator with 100W Solar Panel. Need power in a hurry? This generator can recharge 80% of its battery in just 2 hours using a wall outlet and a 60W USB-C port. You can also recharge it with a car outlet or the included solar panel. Equipped with a 293Wh lithium-ion battery, this power station provides a safe and steady 300W of power through its 2 AC outlets. Weighing only 7.1 pounds, it's perfect for outdoor adventures. With multiple ports, including AC outlets, USB-C, and USB-A, it can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously. It's designed to meet all your outdoor power needs, from drones to cameras. This generator is compatible with the Jackery SolarSaga 100 solar panel. The built-in MPPT controller maximizes solar charging, making it an ideal portable power solution for camping and off-grid living. The package includes the Explorer 300 portable power station, a 100W solar panel, an AC adapter, a car charger cable, and a user guide. Please note that the generator and solar panel are shipped separately. What we like. This solar generator is designed for speed and safety. It recharges quickly and provides a stable power supply, perfect for your outdoor adventures. It also features multiple output ports, so you can charge multiple devices at once. If you are looking for a reliable power solution for camping or emergencies, this is the one to consider. What people say. The solar panels are lightweight and easy to carry. It has a built-in USB port for charging devices. The panel is able to generate a good amount of power even in cloudy conditions. Number 3. Jackery SolarSaga 100W Solar Panel. Setting up is a breeze with the SolarSaga 100W. It features 2 kickstands that allow it to be placed firmly on any surface. You can instantly absorb powerful solar energy from your Jackery power station. The SolarSaga 100W is designed for portability. The TPE rubber handle makes it easy to carry when you're out on your off-grid adventures. It's convenient and ready to go. This solar panel uses monocrystalline silicon solar cells and multi-layered cell technology. This significantly improves performance, with a higher conversion efficiency of 23% compared to other panels. The SolarSaga 100W is built to last with a durable, ETF laminated case. It's also IP65 water resistant, protecting it from water splashes. The pocket with zippers can hold the power cords and cover the power port. The SolarSaga 100W is compatible with Jackery Explorer 300, 500, 1000, 1500 power stations. It's ideal for off-grid camping and power outages. It also features USB-C and USB-A output ports to charge your devices. What we like. This solar panel is all about ease and efficiency. It's super easy to set up and has a high energy conversion rate, so you get the most out of the sun. It's also durable and splash-proof, making it ideal for outdoor use. If you like to keep your devices charged while enjoying the outdoors, this is a great choice. What people say. The solar panels are lightweight and easy to carry. It has a built-in USB port for charging devices. The panels are foldable, making them compact for storage. Number 2. DOKIO 100W Portable Solar Panel Kit. This 100W panel weighs only 6 pounds and folds up for easy carrying. It's perfect for RVs, vans, tents, and any emergency power needs. You can take it anywhere. A 9.84-foot cable allows you to place the panel in direct sunlight. This keeps the controller or power station shaded, making setup safer and more convenient. This gives you more flexibility. The standalone PWM controller protects your 12V system. It prevents reverse polarity, overcharge, overload, and short-circuit issues. It's safe and easy to upgrade. Some power stations have input limits, so the panel cannot exceed that cap. This is normal, so please confirm your specs before buying. Make sure it is compatible. When connected to a 12V battery, the USB ports supply power to your devices. They can also work under sunlight without a battery for emergency top-ups. It's very convenient. Premium mono cells capture more energy in less space, and charge faster. The panel surface withstands sun and splashes. However, avoid leaving the fabric case in heavy rain or strong sun for long periods. The kit includes everything you need for a quick setup. It comes with the panel, controller, adapters, cable, storage bag, and manual. You can start using it right away. What we like. This solar panel kit is designed for convenience and safety. It's lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for any adventure. It also comes with a separate controller for safe charging and is ready to use right out of the box. If you have limited space and need a reliable power source, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Solar panels are lightweight and easy to carry. The panels are well made and seem durable. The product is easy to set up and use. Number 1. ECOFLOW 160W Portable Solar Panel. This solar panel is incredibly portable and easy to set up. Weighing only 15.4 pounds, you can take it anywhere. Just unfold it and start capturing solar power in seconds. Designed to maximize power generation, it works seamlessly with your ECOFLOW power station. It has a high conversion efficiency of 22%, ensuring optimal performance even in less than ideal conditions. Built for the outdoors, this solar panel features a fully waterproof design. An ETF film adds extra protection, extending its lifespan, making it perfect for camping and hiking. The included carrying case also functions as a kickstand. This allows you to position the panel for optimal sun exposure. It also allows multiple panels to be connected together. Inside, you'll find the 160W solar panel, a kickstand case, a user manual, a service card, and a Solar to XT60i charging cable. If you don't find the charging cable, please contact us. What we like. This solar panel is all about intelligent power and durability. It's portable and foldable, making it easy to take anywhere. It also features intelligent solar power technology for maximum efficiency and is waterproof, so it can withstand the elements. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient solar panel for your outdoor adventures, you should consider this. What people say. The integrated kickstand has worked very well for me, and this is a bonus. I don't have to use a rigid panel or construct some wacky stand out of PVC. I can actually haul it from the car to the campsite without needing a second wind. And the case doubles as a stand. Smart move, ECOFLOW. On a good sunny day, it sips up those rays like an over-caffeinated plant. Even when it's a bit cloudy, you still get juice, enough to keep my ECOFLOW power station, lights, and even my tiny blender running. Don't judge, sometimes you just need a smoothie in the woods. That 220W isn't just for show, either. When paired with a decent battery, you're basically set. On average, with a sunny, clear day, this thing has put out 200-210W at times. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.